All right, hello everybody. Travis here with the Modern Bay Company. As you guys know, we do Subaru conversions into vintage Volkswagen Bay Window Buses. It's all we do, and we love it. It's good times. So the bus behind me is named Moon Pie. Moon Pie is a 79. Actually, the owners of Moon Pie are local here, which is pretty cool. And the Subaru conversion is done in Moon Pie, which is awesome, super exciting for what that's worth. But one of the last kind of bigger projects that we're doing is installing a new propane system in Moon Pie. This is not the stuff we usually do, but while Moon Pie is in the shop, it's a fairly straightforward kind of bolt-on-bolt process. And obviously, this propane tank it's seen better days. So we're gonna replace this guy with the unit that they ordered directly to us from GoWesty. And we'll just show you guys how to do it. We'll do, I don't know, we're not doing a review, we're just doing an unboxing. We're doing the most exciting thing on the internet, an unboxing here at Modern Bay today. So we're gonna unbox it, show you what's in the box for the GoWesty unit, and then we're gonna install it, and we'll show you that too. So it might be a two-part video here, or one just super long, boring video. We'll see, but let's get into it. So, all right. Okay, all right, here we are. So before we get into the unboxing, I'm gonna talk about this old busted guy. So it's held together with baling wire, some duct tape. It's taken a hit at some point with a rock. You can see the mount is bent here. It's a good thing they have these guards on them. You need them, don't just ride dirty with no guard, because it protected the valve, protected this from leaking, from bigger problems. So if you guys know me, I'm from Oklahoma. Good old baling wire makes me feel like home. Don't love using baling wire, obviously, but hey, it's held this together as long as it has, apparently. We got some nice duct tape on the cover here. That's that. And then we have the hose. If you're gonna do this, replace your old funky hose. Just do it. Don't think twice about it. This is a pretty standard stock unit. You can get anywhere cut to length if you need to. I'm not actually sure there's one in the box, so we'll see if there is or not when we get to that point, but don't scrimp out. Do it once, do it right, replace your hose. Otherwise, this is what the old one looks like. We're gonna set it aside. One last note, if you're working with propane, it's dangerous. It can catch on fire. Assume this is full, assume it probably leaks, and therefore don't right near it, start grinding something. we may have ran out of that the other day. But yeah, assume it's dangerous. So just, have your thinking cap on whenever it comes to that. All right, now that the preamble is over with, we're gonna unbox this guy. Prepare, hold on to your hats. This is gonna get crazy. The packaging on this guy from GoWesty is decent. It's just a beast. And I think because it's a beast, it's hard to keep everything packed well. There's a corner over here where hardware was actually just falling out. So, I'll let GoWesty know, like, hey, just be sure you package your hardware in there well, because it was leaking out a corner. But when we're looking at this guy, dang, this is a beast. This is way longer. All right, let's see what's happening. Safety in the box. Okay. Wow. I feel like this should be mounted on like a fighter jet. Look at this guy.
Oh man, whoa.
That's long. That's gonna hold, I don't know, a third more propane than the old one. It's nice and shiny. Looks beautiful. This is cool. This is the first new one of these I've gotten to work with. And yeah, we're gonna check it out. Okay, so we got the box off, and we got all the hardware out of the box. We're certainly missing some hardware. We either have an extra bolt or we're missing a bolt. Remains to be seen. We have 5, an odd random number. As you can see here, this is what we got, this is what came in the box. Word to the wise, if you're installing this on a bay window bus, you need this extra kit from them. You can fab this stuff if you want, but it's probably easier to just order the kit. So you'll need that extra kit. I don't know, there's the part number if you guys need it. That's from GoWesty, like all the rest of this stuff. So quick observations. We got this guy just looks like a torpedo. It's kind of awesome. But you see the old, and I guess I'll hold it the same way. So old compared to new, screenshot that. That's the difference in size, the difference in unit. I can't hold this that much longer. It's too heavy. Okay, so that's what you're looking at in terms of upgrading, not just the unit, so it's new, but the size of the unit. So it has about 30% more capacity, which is cool. So when we go to mount this on our bay window bus, our old mount points based on that unit are about here and here. So we'll need to take one of our brackets off the bus, move it down to the next cross member under the bus, and put it on there. And then we'll sandwich these guys. We'll create a propane mount sandwich with our old brackets and these guys to mount it. So we'll show that here shortly, but that's what's in the box. So if this is an unboxing video, which I guess it is, that's a wrap for this video. And on the next one, we're actually going to do the install. So thanks, guys.